भारत एक अत्यंत भाग्यशाली देश है। स्वदेशी और इतिहास, भूतकाल और वर्तमान दोनों साक्षी हैं इस बात के, इस घटना के, कि देश पर आई हर आपदा का समाधान अवसर में खोजा और पाया गया। उस अवसर को निरंतर कार्य, कर्म, नवनीति, नवरचना, नव प्रवर्तन और नवोत्पाद में आवश्यक परिश्रम और पराक्रम से फलित किया गया। India's fight against COVID was one such moment in protection, sovereignty, and self-reliance. From the beginning of the 20th century to the times we live in, protecting and preserving Bharat's national sovereignty, cultural sovereignty, and economic has emerged and re-emerged as a national, cultural, moral, and emotional project. Calibrated has been each motion and movement to reclaim what is ours, regardless of pressure and coercion from external forces and their pawns and assorted representatives. कितने लॉर्ड कर्जन आए और कितने गए. स्वदेशी withstood the British. Swadeshi 2.0 must withstand more. Freedom would have been impossible without Bharat's instincts to respond to foreign impulses and global challenges flung upon and thrown at Bharat and Bharatiyata. Continuity of freedom would be unimaginable without it. At the very center of this nationalist trajectory of actions for preservation is the individual autonomy and attainment of the feeling of oneness with the nation in Bharatiyas. As a quality, it refuses to accept and fiercely rejects any attempt to coerce the free in protecting that defines this great nation, the Matrabhumi, its soil, crop, fertility, cattle, floral and faunal heritage, Indian skill, tradition, art, artisans, artistry, aesthetic, reform, and innovation. It is time for reform. It is time for economic nationalism, which will come twined to political and cultural nationalism through a mass movement and nothing short of it. Swayam, own, self, Swachhand, unbound, Swarg, the heavens, the realm, beyond, Swarn, gold, golden, Swatantra, free, Swatantrata, freedom, Swadeshi. इन शब्दों की श्रृंखला में से कितने शब्द श्री अरबिंदो, लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक और बिपिन चंद्र पाल के मुख से कितनी बार देशभक्तों को उत्साहित करने के लिए निकले होंगे, ये तो हम नहीं जानते। लेकिन ये स्पष्ट है कि पीएम मोदी के स्वदेशी कॉल से बहुत से लोग बहुत परेशान हो रहे होंगे।